Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this episode of What Did I Get Now, we're going to talk about headlights. And nope, not the car style, not today. But today we're talking about the ones you actually put on your head. Yep. So, here we go. So what we have is a single band LED light with a spotlight. Now this one has some neat features. As you can see, it's quite bright. It has a second lower. It has the spotlight at two different, and then it also has the wave feature. I don't know if it'll do it sitting here. Probably not. Well, there we go. So you just wave your hand past it. It turns on and off. That's simple. Kind of cool. They come in multiples. So this one I got has the single. They have a dual, and then they have a triple. Now these are different colors as well. They have amber and I'm not even sure if this one has red or just a brighter white to it. But they do have different options of it. This was a 2-pack, and I got it just a 2-pack of these. So we got two, boxes of these. This is the manufacturer name. I am not going to try to say it because I don't want to screw it up. I'm not exactly sure how that's supposed to be said. So you can see how bright it is in daytime. Where it's a light day, it's bright in my room, and this is quite bright. It lights up things pretty good. You can tell the difference whether it's on or off. So not bad. I will show you in the dark what it looks like, so you can see that, and we'll go from there. Alright, here we are, no lights, and there is the light. You can see, not bad. Let's see when we get down here. Well, I can see very well. I'm not sure what you can see on the camera, but I can see quite well. Definitely be able to see what I'm doing, be able to reach up, get at things, fix things, which includes putting that on. That's got to get back up over. Yeah, definitely works that way. I can see quite clearly what I need. It is fairly bright. Now there is actually the other one too, so let's see. So you got this one, down one, or the spotlight. So there's the spotlight. More direct, exactly at what you're shooting it at. So, not bad. Not bad at all. And then you have the wave technology. So as a mechanic, if I'm looking in something and I just need some more light, it's not bad. Even on a day where it's light out, it's still shining light so I can see things quite nicely. I'm actually, I'm impressed. Very good, very good. You can see things quite clearly. So as you can see, that works pretty good in the dark. The camera doesn't quite do it justice, I will admit. It is a lot brighter than it looks like on there. I did adjust a little bit so that it showed you the brightness, but my camera's not set for night, so it didn't do it quite the justice I was hoping for you. I definitely get them again. It's a 2-pack. They were $12. from Temu for the 2-pack, and like I say, then you go up. I think it's $18 for the dual line ones, and then 20 something or something like that for the tri line. They have different options too. You can buy one, you can buy two, you can buy 4-packs, all that kind of stuff. So if you're looking, I'd say give it a look. I do like them so far. They're very comfortable, whether they're on a baseball cap or just on my head. They fit very nicely, very adjustable, and once they're on, they're pretty lightweight. You don't really notice it. Like the old headlights, it sat right here, pushed right here on your head. They were heavy. You could only tilt them up or down. They were, like the spotlight on this, direct light, and they weren't. I mean, they worked great for what we used them for back then, but now with this technology, it is a lot nicer. I could see if the 3-band works with multiple lights on, it could be considerably brighter. If you were hiking, camping, something like that, it would be very nice. The only thing I found with the wave technology for mechanics, depending on when you're working, where you're working, and what's near you, it'll turn off on you. So you move your head past something, it gets a shadow, it thinks it's a hand, and boop, it turns it off on you. So that one could be a little annoying, to be honest. But I did try it when I was under moose. I was moving my head around quite a bit. It didn't turn on and off often. I did get it to trigger once because I was trying to, just to see if it would. But on the most part it didn't. It stayed pretty good. So that's my take on it. Hope that helps anybody out looking for one. They are pretty cool. You can find them on Temu. So that's it for now. Remember to hit that like and subscribe. Share it if you will. Also hit that bell button so you don't forget the upcoming events, upcoming videos, etc. And more of these What Did We Get Now episodes. So until then, I'll see you next video.